Yes, friends, very good morning and welcome back to Rama Sharma's YouTube, International Pharmaceutical Marketing and Training. So, last two episodes we were discussing about export and about global market. Now we will focus on the real steps as how uh, what should be the chronological ways to enter international business. So before that, today our small subject will be about the ethics in pharmaceutical business. See, we have discussed pharmaceutical is like an industry of healthcare which depends the life, precious human life. So in this industry, the ethics are more important than any other place, because if you are not having a kind of ethical behavior in the mindset, then the quality what should come will not come. The definition of ethics is as per the Oxford dictionary or other dictionaries, that the principles to decide what is good, what is not good, what is not acceptable or bad, and what is acceptable and good. So something you want others to do to you, same thing you should do to others. This is for me the simplest way of ethics or the moral values. If I want others to pay my money on right time, then I should also pay to them on others right time. It cannot happen that you give my money on first, I will give you your money on the second or third. So this is what is ethics. In pharmaceutical, gentlemen, because you will export to developed countries, developing countries, other countries. So unless until you have a very high standard of behavior at every level, you will not succeed. So this video today is for not only for promoter but for the senior managers, directors, those who want to enter the export. So to start with, have high concern for quality at every step, not one. Starting, for example, from your product. So when you manufacture a product, it should be quality. So, pharmacopoeia allows 10% plus and minus. If it is diclofenac 50 milligram, it is 45 milligram, then also pharmacopoeia or it will allow, it is a quality product. But why not you add toward 10% more, which is also allowed. So if your tablet contains 55 milligram diclofenac, even at the time of expiry when analysis will be done, your product quality is as good as that. This is what is the difference between the multinationals and sometimes big companies and others. Don't try to save anything anywhere. You will get a reasonable price. We will come back to it. When there is a quality, people will pay. 100% people will pay. So your product, over as is what you had, make a quality product. Packaging, make it a nice, good quality packaging. I am happy that now Indian, all companies have improved in packaging. Now, not only packaging, inside there is something package insert. You read a package insert of Novartis or Pfizer or any other company from US, Europe, and see the package insert from other Asian countries. The difference is clear. People try to save small cent by reducing size of package insert. Make package insert as detailed information as available. It is the pharmacopoeia of your product. And update it. How many companies are updating? Tell me. But Fortum, Glaxo, will always, GSK will update. They will write updated in January 2023 or 20, whatever year. So focus, gentlemen, on the information in the package insert. As already we have discussed, pharmaceutical is knowledge based, information based, research based industry. So whatever research has come updated, including your package insert, update it and see the difference yourself, what image you will create. These are small things, but people don't care. You know it. So everything about the product. Now coming to fixed dose combination. In some countries, particularly my country, India, there are so many fixed dose combinations, right? 25, 30 years I am saying. People are, without concerning the real pharmacological basis, they add something. And then government of India has to ban so many formulations. Recently, more than 45 fixed dose combinations were banned. Before also, 100 were banned. So it is continuous process. Don't have a combination till it is pharmacologically approved, documented, without any risk of adverse effects or problem to the patient. So maintain quality in your product. Very important. Quality of your people. There is a saying, a company is known by the people it keeps. What is a company? Is it machine? No. The first thing is the people, those who work in the organization. So the quality of people in export should be the highest quality and well trained and retrained, and keep them at every level, in a very high level of knowledge, whether it is email writing, any communication, or oral communication, or written, or any communication, they should be world class, the quality of the people, and they should keep their all knowledge sharpened. Sharp, like the axe, a wood cutter. I read somewhere, a wood cutter will take 8 hours to chop a tree. But that fellow say, I will not chop the tree for 8 hours. I will sharpen my axe for 6 hours and cut the tree in 2 hours. That is what is your high level of, quality of the people, that they know to do the job efficiently, productively, and efficiently. In export, we need such people. I am dealing with some companies before and now also. Email, what they write. Your response is awaited. Final reminder. Email heading is third reminder, fourth reminder, final reminder, and they say your response is awaited. Is it an email? The fellow will reply. So very humble, very business-like, acceptable communication is required. So that is about the quality of the people, friends. People. Coming to plant. If you want to go in export, now I am so happy to say to all people in the world that Indian plants all are manufacturing quality products last 5-6 years. We have highest number of US FDA approved plant outside US in India. So that is something, congratulations to the investors and to the people. Now EU GMP, all we have quality plant everywhere. So your plant, it should have it should be quality. Accreditation goes in export. The first thing is accreditation. If your plant has US FDA, EU GMP, so many countries straight will allow you export. You just submit the SMF, Site Master File, submit your dossier, even without plant visit, they will approve. Next video we will discuss the process, how to, start the process by submitting these documents like Site Master File, dossier, sample, that we will discuss in the next video. But today, the accreditation of the plant, is very important. So if your plant now minimum is WHO GMP, and I think most of plants are WHO GMP. So you can go to export. Yeah, our share, global share is just 4% of the total world requirement. So that means still 96% business is available to us. It depends on the products and your way, gentlemen. So this is very important in the quality, in the plant, product, and about price. Yes, it is affordable, but believe me, you will get better price when your everything is better. You don't have to go the cheapest in the market. You don't have to go, because once your product speaks as a quality product, then buyer will pay you. He knows the accreditation, he knows your support, your quality, the people, how they move, how they behave. So this is about some about ethics. The most important ingredient in pharmaceutical formulation, every tablet, in one tablet, there are, I said, 25 ingredients. Say diclofenac. But it is not diclofenac. There are other 24 ingredients, binding agents, dispersal agents, then coloring agents, film coating, entry coating, then so many ingredients. And remember friends, the most important ingredient in the tablet is the integrity of the manufacturer. Integrity of the manufacturer. It is written, I think in Remington's pharmacy book it is written. The most important ingredient or very important ingredient which decides quality is the integrity, the ethics or the morality of the management of the company, those who manufacture the product. Because they will not compromise at any level. The quality of the raw material, the source they buy, the documentation they do, they will not compromise. And when you do this process over the years, over years, not 5-10 years, but over say 100 years. 100 years. When you do this process high quality, then your image is built in market. So the image is not built in 2-3 years or 5 years, gentlemen. It takes time. And that is precisely the reason that today, in Europe, small companies means small cities, they are controlling the world market. What is Germany? The German export from Germany is almost 150 billion dollar, three times almost than the whole India's industry, from a small country less than Noida or less than my this Bhander, equal to population less than Bhander. How? Because you know it. When you use, for example, any product from US, you are sure it is a quality product because they take care at every level. They don't compromise. So this is one about quality. Then the ethics now in other areas. For example, in promotion, ethics in promotion. Keep a very high level of product information. Promotion. When you make anything for export, keep high and reliable standard of information. So that gives a very high feeling about you. If it is a side effect, include it, tell it. Don't hide any side effect because it will not, everybody knows every drug has some side effect. So what is problem? Why you hide? So keep high standard. If there are side effects, mention it, write it about gentlemen. Now other things, apart from the scientific brochure, whatever you make, whatever claim you do, be ethical. Don't overclaim. If your drug, this is something very, I'm telling you, we are discussing, if your drug is 95% effective, success rate is 95, claim it 90. Doctor, or this, my drug is more than 90%. So let customer see that you promise 90 but your drug is 95. You gain credibility. You gain, even in business, even when you speak, always give a promise, less than what you will do. Don't overpromise. Your drug is 95%, you say 100%. And if first patient doctor uses drug or you claim something and you say I am coming, I will come every 3 months to your country, and now 6 months you have disappeared. What the distributor will think? He told me he will come regularly but he has not come. That means you lost the integrity, you lost the promise. So you say my friends coming to US is not possible for me. I will come once a year, we will meet and do business. But you go every 4 months. Now he feels, he's interested. That is why, you remember how to find out distributor, we discussed. Go, visit, spend money on that. It is a wise investment. Because once you go any country regularly, meet the people there, they talk, this company man is coming to our country every 6 months or every regularly. So they think he is serious for business. And once the customer thinks you are serious, then he will join your hands with you. There is no place for casual attitude or casual approach in pharmaceutical or in any business, gentlemen. So the purpose of this video is, now next video we'll discuss about the process to start actual export. But before that, decide, have a high level of, take an oath that at every level in your company, you will have high level of quality, high level of commitment, high level of the efficiency, and never zero error. You remember zero error. No even comma will come. You check 6 times. You check and then you send it. There is a saying in Ethiopia. Asar gije luka and gije kurat. Means 10 times you measure something and in one stroke you do it, you cut it. So that is what is your high level of efficiency. So friends, with this, focus on ethics. And I'm sure when you are ethical, when your values, moral values are high, everybody will help you. Okay, so with this, thank you very much. See you in next video about the process to start export. Thank you.